All right, we want to welcome some cousins that are here from San Diego, California. Sitting here south of Austin, here in Buda, Texas. Would you look at that? Look what the cat drug in. That's what they say around here.
What? Hey, girl.
Hey, this here is a family show.
Gotta behave out here, girl. We're not in the honky-tonks, you know?
Yeah, that. And Felix, around here they say, y'all want some beer? Sure. Well, go on, get yourself some. Bring me one when you come on back.
Yeah, it ain't gonna get here by itself. You can tell they're our family,
Felix
right?
will now take a bucket.
By the way, this is Jesse Lopez on congas and percussion. My name is Felix Pompa, by the way. And we're called Old School Review. I don't know why, but that's what they call us.
Old School O'Doul.
I'm gonna play a little blues for you. How about that? I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. My daddy was a river rat and I was born a fisherman. I was born running trout line, born to fish all night. That's right. I was born running trout line, born to fish all night. I'm gonna get a buzz even if I don't get a bite. Well, I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. Yes, ma'am. I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. My daddy was a river rat and I was born a fisherman. Well, I don't mind, baby, if the fish bite or they don't. No, I don't. No, I don't mind, baby, if the fish bite or they don't. As long as you're right beside me, as long as we can rock this boat. Well, I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. My daddy was a river rat and I was born a fisherman. Well, I don't mind, baby, if the fish bite or they don't. No, I don't. No, I don't mind, baby, if the fish bite or they don't. As long as you're right beside me, as long as we can rock this boat. I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. Yes, ma'am. I was born in a Jon Boat with a cane pole in my hand. My daddy was a river rat and I was born a fisherman. Yeah, it's a little song about a Jon Boat Blues is what it's called. That was an old poor man's boat in those days. You could order it from Sears and Roebuck for $99.99, motor and everything.
$5 for the patch kit.